Ngesonto ledlule kwahlasela isiphepho eKapa esabe sihambisana nezimvula ezinamandla. Ngeshwa sakhahlameza amakhaya acela izinkulungwane eziyisithupha emkhandlwini dolobha waseKapa. Nakuba lesiphepho senza umonakalo omkhulu kepha idama elikhulu eWestern Cape Waterkloof bese lishelwe amanzi. Manje seligcwele ngamaphesenti angama-95 esewonke amadamu esifundazweni agcwele ngamaphesenti acela kwangama-62.
We want to continue to urge people to use water responsibly, even though dams in your region might be full. And we are also remain concerned about the one region in the province, the Gourits River catchment area, where the dam level situation has not recovered well just quite yet. And we certainly hope to see some further relief in the months to come.
Nasemkhakheni wezolimo kulesifundazwe ikhona indlela eyaphambili.
The grain producing areas also received good rains, for which we are very grateful. The grain looks very nice at this point in time. We are also incredibly grateful for the rain that fell in the Van Reinsdorp, Landplaas, Bitterfontein and Kliprand area.
Ngeshwa abalimi eCentral and Little Karoo basathwele kanzima njengoba bengazange bayibone imvula.